वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते वैवस्वताय मृत्यवे ब्रह्मविद्याचार्याय नचिकेतसे च। द्वितीय अध्यायः द्वितीयवल्ली तृतीय मंत्र। Read that. ऊर्ध्वं प्राणम् उन्नयति
ऊर्ध्वं प्राणम् उन्नयति
अपानं प्रत्यगस्यति
अपानं प्रत्यगस्यति
मध्ये वामनमासीनम्
मध्ये वामनमासीनं
विश्वे देवा उपासते
विश्वे देवा उपासते
अस्य विस्रंसमानस्य
विस्रंसमानस्य
शरीरस्तस्य देहिनः देहात् विमुच्यमानस्य किमत्र परिशिष्यते एतद्वैतत् This mantra we have seen. In this mantra, it is said that when the Chit Abhasa Atma, Chidabhasa, that is this Chit Pratibimba Rupa Atma, when it departs the Shariram, Atma cannot go anywhere. Atma cannot travel because it is sarvakatattvat. Therefore, chit pratibimba rupa atma. When it departs the shariram, then all the vyapara of the shariram, the activities stop. So, therefore, it is clear that when Atma is present, body is sentient, body is enlivening, body is alive. When Atma departs the body, then body it becomes dead. It loses its sentiency. Therefore, the sentiency of the body is because of the presence of Atma. Therefore, Atma Sattve Sharirasya Chetanatvam. This Atma is this Chit Pratibimba Rupa Atma Sattve Sharirasya Chetanatvam. Chit Pratibimba Rupa Atma Abhave Sharirasya Chetanatvam Nasti. Therefore, through this Anvaya Vitireka, Anvaya presented in the third mantra, Vitireka presented in this mantra, the fourth mantra. This is the Yukti. This is the Yukti. So therefore, Yasya Atmanaha Upagame. Yasya Atmanaha Upagame. Kim bhavati, when the Atma departs the Shariram, in the presence of Atma, all the transactions were happening, then the body becomes functionless. It cannot function. It cannot function anymore. Therefore, it is very clear, Atma must be Vitirtaha Sharirat. That is what we saw in Tattvabodha also. Stula Sukshma Karana Sharirat Vitirtaha iti. So Atma must be different from this Shariram, different from the mind. Atma is not the mind also. The mind it is reflected, that is Chit Pratibimba Rupa Atma. Atma are not the senses also. So therefore, this body-mind sense complex becomes functionless. Therefore, by this yukti, it is clear that Atma is Yatiriktaha, Dehat Yatiriktaha iti. So, Dehat Vimuchamanasya Atra Aspin Sharire Kim Parishishyate. So, therefore, when the Atma, when the Chit Pratibimba Rupa Atma departs from the body, Vimuchamanasya Kimatra Parishishyate iti. Now, here, a Purva Pakshi, Bhashyakara himself says that Purva Pakshi, let us assume, Purva Pakshi may think, may have an argument. Therefore, Upanishad itself presents as an answer to the Akshepa of the Purva Pakshi. What is the Purva Paksha? That we will read. That is a Sangati to this mantra, the next mantra, fifth mantra. We will read that. Syat Matam
Syatmatam
Prana Panati Apagamat
Pranapanadi Apagamat
Eva idam vidvastam bhavati.
Eva idam vidvastam bhavati.
Natu tad vyatirikta atma apagamat.
Natu tad vyatirikta atma apagamat.
Pranatibhihi eva hi.
प्राणादिभिः
प्राणादिभिः
एव हि
एव हि
मर्त्यः जीवति इति.
मर्त्यः
मर्त्यः
जीवति
जीवः
इति।
इति.
This is the akshepa, an objection. Matam syat. There can be a matam, a view, an idea, a philosophy, a thought. What? Pranapanadi apagamat eva idam vidvastam bhavati. Idam referring to the sharira. Sharirasya nashaka bhavati. Kada, when the prana, etc., when they depart from the body becomes vidvasta, destroyed, becomes functionless. Natu tad vyatirikta atma apagamat. Not because of the atma, which is vitirikta, which is different, which is distinct from the shariram. So therefore, the matam is shariram is sustained by prana, etc., not because of atma. Iti. There is a defect in this argument. Prana apana also, it is jadam only. Prana apana also gains sentiency because of atma. So how can prana apana be the cause for the sentiency of the shariram? If prana apana, they can give life to the body, then where are they located? The sukshma shariram or sthula shariram. Even if it is in the sukshma shariram also jadam only. Therefore, this argument is defective. But people may argue that a human being, a man, survives only by prana, apana, etc. So it is the departure of the prana, apana, because of which the shariram becomes vidvastam. So pranadivihi eva manushyah, martyah, jivati. Human being lives only by prana, apana, etc. Not because of atma. Atma is distinct from the body. So why should a human being live because of atma, which is totally different from the body? Prana, apana, at least it is not different from the sukshma shariram. It is the part of the sukshma shariram. So therefore the cause is only the departure of prana, apana. Iti the Purva Pakshi may argue. So that for that the next mantra becomes as samadhanam, as the answer to the objection. Na etat asti.
न
एतत्
एतत्
अस्ति.
अस्ति.
Na etat asti means this is not correct. This matam, etat matam nasti. This matam, your matam is not correct. Why? The mantra. Na pranena na panena.
न
न
प्राणेन
प्राणेन
न
न
पानेन
पानेन
मर्त्यो जीवति कश्चन.
मर्त्यो जीवति कश्चन.
इतरेण तु जीवन्ति.
इतरेण तु
जीवन्ति.
यस्मिन्नेतावुपाश्रितौ.
यस्मिन्नेतावुपाश्रितौ.
न प्राणेन न अपानेन मर्त्यः जीवति. कश्चन मर्त्यः जीवति. Not by prana, not by apana. Does any human being live? Then katam jivati, itarena tu jivanti, yasmin etau upashritau. That sustenance, the living human being live because of something, because of itarena, because of something else. On that, the prana apana have ashraya or dependent. This is the meaning of the mantra. Martyaha, kaschana martyaha, any human being. Martyaha is mortal. Human beings are mortal, therefore Martyaha is Manushyaha. Na pranena na apanena jivati. Doesn't live by prana. Doesn't live by apana. It means doesn't live by any prana, apana, the pancha prana. The Shruti doesn't give here any yukti. Why the Martyaha doesn't sustain by prana, apana, etc. Doesn't give the yukti, the logic here. But we can understand. The logic is simple. Prana, apana, they are also jadam only. They are also the jadam. Being a part of Sukshma Shariram, they are also made of Panchamaha Bhuta only. Therefore, they are also jadam only. When they are jadam, how can they render sentiency to this Shariram? Since they themselves do not have this status of being consciousness, Chaitanyam, therefore they cannot be the source of consciousness. They are inert. In fact, they are enlivened by the Atma. So, therefore, they cannot be the cause for the consciousness of the Shariram. Because Pancha Bhutikatvat, Pancha Bhutika Karyatvat, that we have to supply. We need to understand that. Pancha Bhutikatvat, Jadatvat iti. Jadatvat. Therefore, itarena to jivanti. Because of something else. Jivanti. Manushyaha, Martyaha jivanti. Itarena. Tasmin, yasmin, etau referring to this pranapana, upashtau, pranapana or upashtata, they have ashaya, they have dependency. So, therefore, all the human beings are living. They are living, they have chetanatvam because of something else. On that, this prana and apana are dependent. They are dependent. So, therefore, not by prana apana, it is by atma. Iti Shruti. Shruti says there must be atma. It is Shruti, Vachya, Shruti, Pramanam. And also it says by the logic. By logic, it dismisses that prana apana cannot be the cause for the life in the body. Now we will read the Vashyam. Na pranena,
na pranena,
na apanena,
na apanena,
chakshuradina va,
Chakshuradina
chakshuradani va,
martyaha manusyaha,
Matyaha
matyaha
Manushyaha
manushyaha,
Degavan kaschana jivati.
Dehavan
dehavan
Kashana
kashana jivati.
Jivati.
Na pranena, not by prana. Not by prana. Prana is already we have seen. Prana is the previous shloka. Prana, apana, urdhvam pranam unnayati. Urdhvam, that which makes the urdhvam gamayati, that is breathing out. That is exhalation is called prana. Apana is breathing in, apana, which goes inwards. Pratyak adaha asyati, kshipati, breathing in. So breathing in is apana, breathing out is prana. So prana, apana. So they cover the pranamaya kosha. Chakshuradinava, not by the sense organs. Chakshuhu, it means all the indriyas, pancha, jnanendriya. By that, Martyaha Manushyaha, Atava Degavan, Degavat Matu Pratyaya. Degaha asya asti iti degavat, the one who has a body. Kaschana manushyaha degavan जीवति न प्राणेन जीवति न अपानेन जीवति चक्षुरादिना वा न जीवति इति. So not lives by prana, apana, chakshuradina alone, not by indriyas alone. Then why the answer already been given? Because all these are bhautika, bhautikatvat. Okay, then next line. Na kopi jivati.
न कोऽपि जीवति
Na kopi jivati. Kaschana jivati, na kopi jivati. No one lives. No one lives what? Because of prana apana. Because of prana apana chakshuradina, no one lives. Na kopi jivati. Nahi esham
Nahi
Nahi
esham
esham
pararthanam
pararthanam
परार्थानां
samhatya
samhatya
samhatyakaritvat
samhatyakaritvat
jivana hetutvam upapadyate.
जीवन
हेतुत्वम्
हेतुत्वम्
उपपद्यते.
Have we read this line before? First class? I think no.
No, Ji.
No,
Okay.
Ji. We
Okay.
didn't start Shankara Bhashyam.
Okay. So nahi yesham pararthanam samhatyakaritvat jivena hetutvam upapadyate. Jivana hetutvam upapadyate. Karitvat jivana hetutvam upapadyate. Okay. So atihi means assemblage. It's an assembly put together. So prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana, all the pancha prana, it is like a kosha, koshavat achadagatva. Therefore, it's called pranamaya koshaha. It's an assemblage. When you say it is an assemblage, that which is put together, assembled together, it is not for the sake of the assembly. It is also not sake for the parts of the assembly. It cannot be for the whole, the assembly. It cannot be for the parts of the assembly. It must be for someone else other than the assemblage. Assembly as such, it is inert. Therefore, they cannot be the cause for the life. So, therefore, Prakriti, when Prakriti is Jada, the Sankhya, they say Purusha, Prakriti, two things are there. So, Prakriti is Jada and Prakriti does for Atma. Atma is Akarta above. Atma is Akarta. Atma is Akarta, the Prakriti does everything for Atma. This is a Sankhya logic, Sankhya argument. This is a Sankhya argument. They establish Atma. They establish Atma saying that their argument, the Prakriti is Jada. And whatever the Prakriti does, it is for the sake of Atma. So, Atma is Akarta, but Atma can enjoy the Prakriti. Atma can enjoy the Prakriti. It is Akarta. Atma is Bhokta iti, their argument. Now, Bhashyakara uses the same logic of Sankhya to dismiss them. Nahi esham pararthanam samhatyakaritvat. That is, because of this, because of what? Because of prana, apana, etc. Because of prana, apana, etc. Pararthanam, It is meant for somebody else, someone else. Samhatya karitvat. Because samhatya karitvat. Because they because they are samhata, they are put together. They are put together. Samhatya karitvat means they function. They function. They act for the sake of somebody who is outside the assemblage. Samhatya karitva. They being sangata, put together. Therefore, jivana hetatvam na upapadyate. It is not possible, not tenable to give the status of life, status of being the cause of life to this samhata, to this assembly. Assembly we cannot give, it is not tenable, it is not possible. Why? Because they are meant for others, because they are sangata, they are inert. Therefore, they cannot be the source of life. They are achetana. They are achetana, therefore, it cannot be the source of life. This is to dismiss that sangata, this sharira mana sangata, sharira mana sangata, this sharira mana sangata, which are samhata, which are put together, they cannot be the cause for the life. Because pararthana samhatya karitvat. This sanghata, it is for the sake of others, pararthana, for the sake of someone else. That's what the mantra also said. Itarena, for the sake of something else. Samhatya karitvat. They function for something, someone else. They act, all these samhata, this assemblage, they act together for what? For the sake of someone else, pararthana. So this samhata, this sharirama sanghata, which are samhata, that argument. Therefore, that cannot be the cause for the source of life. Then the next line. Swartena
Swarthena
asamhatena parena
samhatena parena
parena
kenachit aprayuktam
kenachit
kenachita
aprayuktam
aprayuktam
samhatanam
samhatanam
avasthanam na drishtam
avasthanam
avasthanam na
drishtam
drishtam
yatha grihadinam loke
grihadinam
yata
loke
guhadinam loke
tata pranadinam api
tatha
tata
pranadinam
pranadinam
api
api
samhatatvat bhavitum harhati.
samhatatvat
samhatatvat
bhavitum
bhavitum
arhati.
arhati.
Prana apana, they themselves depend on Atmatattvam for its vyapara. So, when they themselves required the power to operate and they are enlivened by Atma, how can they be the source of Chetanatvam? Therefore, since they are samhata, they must be for something else. That's the point, argument here. Swartena for one's own benefit. Swartena. Asamhatena, for one's own benefit, for one's own purpose, usage. Asamhatena, which is not the part of the assembly, which is not put together. Asamhatena meant not put together. And therefore it is parena. It is something else. Kenachit parena. By something else, by someone else who is not part of the assembly for its benefit. Aprayuktam samhatanam avasthanam na drishtam yata grihadinam lokhe iti. So the language here is vitireka. Vitireka, the yukti is used. That is, this assembly assembly can be there only when there is someone outside the assemblage. This assembly, this body assembly, which was brought about by the combination of the Bhautikas, for whose purpose? The pur- for the for the purpose of someone alone, this combination, this put together has happened, it is brought about. Without that, this combination, this assemblage, this assembly itself is not possible. Like what? Like a griha, yeah, house. Yeah. Can a house build on its own? Griha cannot be built by the griha itself. So griham is for the sake of someone else. It is built for the sake of someone else. Griham is nothing but the assembly. It is a assembly, it is put together. So the house which is there, it has come to existence. The house has come to existence because it is built. It is built by someone else, and that person, that thing, or that person cannot be the part of the assembly. So it must be different. So for that must be different, and for whose purpose this house is built. So prana, similarly, prana also being an assemblage, it cannot itself exist without something else, because of which this has come into existence, and that renders existence to prana. So therefore, prana is also being samhata, it and jada, it cannot be the cause of the life in the sharira. That is the meaning. Avasthanam, samhatanam avasthana. Samhatanam is the assemblage. The avasthanam is the existence. Samhatanam avasthanam na drishtam, not seen. The existence of the assemblage is not seen. It's not seen means it is not seen unless it is brought about by the one who is not asamhata. It means by the asamhata atma, this samhata avasthanam, by the asamhata atma only, this assemblage has come into existence. Without that, this samhata avasthanam na drishtam. So parena kenachit, and that parena is asamhatena, which is not part of the assembly. So parena asamhatena parena kenachit, this assemblage was brought about. For what purpose? Swarthena. So swarthena asamhatena parena kenachit, this samhatanam avasthanam aprayuktam samhatanam avasthanam na drishtam ita grihadinam loke. Tata pranadinam api prana, etc. also pranadinam api samhatatvat, because that is hetu samhatatvat, on account of being an assembly, bhavitam na argati. They cannot have existence without the factor which is different from it. Without the factor which is different from it. Ita grihadinam loke. Griha must have something outside of the parts of the griha or the assembly. That is the person, the householder is there, for whose purpose his house is built, and has built a house for whose purpose? Swarthena. Similarly, the prana also, it is samhatatvat. Therefore, it must be an assembly because it is built. It is built for the sake of someone else. So, therefore, loke samhatanam avasthanam grihadinam yata grihadinam na drishtam aprayuktam. Without aprayuktam, it is activated, without being activated by someone who is asamhata and who is para. Asamghatena parena aprayuktam. Aprayuktam asamghatanam avasthanam na drishtam. That is the Anvaya. That is how to make the sentence. Loke samghatanam avasthanam yata grihadina. Aprayuktam samghatanam avasthanam yata grihadina. Kenachit parena asamghatena swartena kenachit asamghatena na drishtam. So therefore, the existence of the assemblage without activated, without blessed by Atma is not seen yatha, like the house which cannot come into existence without the factor which is different from the house. And the factor is the person, the constructor of the house must be there. That factor is extraneous. It is different from the assemblage. That is the meaning. Therefore, assembly means it presupposes another extraneous factor that must be accepted. So that is the argument. Therefore, the life is not because of a chance. It is because of the factor which is other than the assemblage. That is clearly established now. Therefore, now, ataha itarena eva
Itarena eva
samhata pranadi vilakshanena tu
samhata pranadi vilakshane tu
sarve samhataha
sarve samhataha
santaha
santaha
jivanti pranan dharayanti.
Jivanti pranan dharayanti.
Ataha, therefore, ataha, therefore, why therefore? Because prana, apana, etc., they cannot be the cause for the life in the shariram. Therefore, itarena eva, because of someone else. Because of someone, itarena eva, because of someone else alone. Samghata pranadi vilakshanena. Some pranas, etc., they are samghata. Samghataha pranaha, prana, etc., they are samghataha. Samghataha pranaha, adi, prana, etc., prana, apana. So samghata pranadi vilakshanena, different, distinct from the samghata prana, etc., from the assemblage of prana, apana, etc. Different from the assemblage of prana, apana, etc., vilakshanena tu sarve samghataha santaha. Sarve, all are samghataha santaha. They are together, they are put together. Jivanti, pranan dharayanti. Pranan dharayanti itarena eva. Not because of the samghata. Samghataha santaha. They have the state, they are assembly. They are assembly. Why? Because they are put together by samghata pranadi vilakshanena itarena. Because of which jivanti pranan dharayanti. Because of which they sustain the prana, the life. So the pranas are themselves sustained by itarena, by someone else. Then next vakya. Yasmin samghata vilakshane atmani sati.
Yasmin samhita vilakshana
atmani
atmani sati.
Vilakshane atmani sati saptami. Okay. You are reading Sandhi Vicheda to be read properly. So samghata vilakshane atmani sati. Okay. Parasmin etau
Parasmin etau
pranapano
pranapano
चक्षुरादिभिः संहतौ उपाश्रितौ
चक्षुरादिभिः संहता
संहताहु उपाश्रितौ
संहतौ
उपाश्रितौ
उपाश्रितौ sandhi vicheda. Okay. The meaning is yasmin, due to which yasmin samhata vilakshane atmani sati parasmin. Yasmin, due to which or in which, yasmin samhata vilakshane. Samhata vilakshane, samhata atma is samhata vilakshana. Samhata vilakshanaha atma. Sati satni. Atma samhata vilakshanaha. So therefore, samhata vilakshane atme sati, when atma, which is distinct from the samhata, the assemblage, sati, when it is, when that is, when atma, vilakshana atma is, then parasmin, that is atma is paraha, parasmin, eto prana apano chakshuradibihi samhatau upashitau. Atma which is asamhata, which is samhata vilakshana, in which this prana apana, not only prana apana, you have to bring in all the other chakshuradibihi, etc. Samhatau, they are assemblage and they have they have ashrita, they have dependency. Upashitau, they are supported. They are dependent on this parasmin atmani. Parasmin atmani eva upashitau prana apano iti. So therefore, the source of life is atma, upon which only this prana apana are dependent. Prana apana are dependent. Now the next line. Yasya asamhatasyarte
यस्य असंहतस्यार्थे
pranapanadihi.
प्राणापानादिः
Kameshwaraji, your side there some noises at the TV volume. Svavyaparam kurvan vartate.
स्वव्यापारं कुर्वन् वर्तते
Samhatah san
संहतः सन्
saha tatah anyah siddhah
सः ततः अन्यः सिद्धः
ityaviprayah.
इत्यभिप्रायः.
So Bhashyakara finally gives the saram of the mantra. Yasya asamhatasyarte pranadibihi svavyaparan kurvan vartate samhatah san saha tatah anyah siddhah iti avipraya. Simple sentence, you can easily understand. Atma is asamhata. So asamhata atmanaha arte, for the purpose of atma, which is not an assembly, for whose purpose? Pranadibihi, prana, etc., chakshuradibihi, all these are svavyaparam kurvan, doing their vyapara, the activities. Svavyaparam kurvan vartate, they remain doing their activities, and they are asamhataha san, being put together, they perform their activities, the prana, apana, all they perform their activity, all their activities. Therefore, they perform the activity for the purpose of the asamhata atma. Therefore, it is very clear. Therefore, saha atma, that's referring to the atma. That must be different. Tataha anyaha siddhaha, it must be vitiriktaha. Vitiriktaha iti siddhaha, that is clearly established, that must be different. Iti abhiprayaha, that is the meaning. So, therefore, the assemblage or assembly is for someone else. Like the house is not for the sake of house, it is for the sake of the householder. Similarly, for the sake of atma only, this prana apana assemblage. It is not for their purpose, not for their use. So this is the yukti which is given by the Shruti. So this Shruti, this yukti given by the Shruti, it helps to understand that there must be Atma. There must be Atma. So this is Shruti Anukula Tarka, the logic, yukti. Shruti Anukula yukti. The acceptance of the Atma, which is different from this Sharira Mana Sangata, is the first step. So that must be acceptance. So therefore, when Nachiketa asked, Ayam prete vichikitsa manushye astiteke nayam asti iti chaike, for that it is very clear that on the death of the Shariram, the person has not gone. The person is there. What sustains after the death of the Shariram is this Atma, because it is Vitiriktaha, different. This simple yukti is presented. The yukti in keeping with the Shruti. This is not this yukti by this is because the Shruti says, therefore this yukti, by this yukti, the presence of Atma is inferred. The Shruti doesn't prove Atma. It gives a logic. It just gives a logic to establish that Atma is there. So to start with, by mere yukti alone, this cannot be proved. In Kevala Tarka means by mere Tarka, by mere logic. Mere logic depends on Pratyaksha Pramana. Logic depends on Pratyaksha Pramana. The Pratyaksha Pramana cannot prove that Atma being there and it is different from the assemblage. It cannot be proved. It cannot be proved. Taking the logic which is based on Pratyaksha Pramana. Because Pratyaksha involves the perceiver. So the perceiver has to perceive the pranas and the Atma. So, but pranas can be perceived. What about Atma? Therefore, Kevala Tarka cannot be used. Therefore, Shruti provides here the logic, the yukti. The yukti to say that must be a factor called Atma, distinct from the Shariram, exists. Because of Atma only the life sustains. The Swarupam of Atma, the nature of Atma, all these are only known, can be known only by the Shruti Pramana. First the Atma is there, has to be accepted, then only the Swarupam, the discussion of Swarupam comes. So here the simple yukti is presented by this Shruti in these mantras. Then the next mantra. Hantata idam pravakshyami.
Hantata
Anta
idam
idam
pravakshyami.
pravakshyami.
Guhyam Brahma Sanatanam.
Guhyam Brahma Sanatanam.
Yatha cha Maranam Prapya.
Yatha cha
Maranam
Maranam
prapya.
prapya.
Atma bhavati Gautama.
Atma
Ma
bhavati
bhavati
Gautama.
Gautama.
In fact, this yukti, for our understanding purpose, I am saying, this yukti can be given as an answer to the Nachiketa's question in the beginning itself. Because we have talked about Atma Tattva and this and all we talked about. At the end, Shruti says, so we can connect all these mantras as the answer to the question of Nachiketa in the beginning itself. Through this mantra, the presence of Atma is proved by the logic as given by the Shruti. That is what Nachiketa asked in the beginning. So it can be connected there, and after that, Atma Tattvam through the other mantras, presented other mantras can be known. So that order can put it in that order. And here in this mantra, he said, Pravakshami, the word Pravakshami is there. So Pravakshami is there, and the Sambodhana is there, Gautama. So Yamadharmaraja speaks, hey Gautama, Gautama, Nachiketa, Agam Pravakshami. I will talk to you, I will speak to you. What? Hantata idam Pravakshami, Gugyam Brahma Sanatana. In fact, he has been speaking, he has been teaching. It says, Hantata idam Pravakshami. Anta is not, Anta is just it's an avyaya, it's not killing and all. Anta is, means halas or well, that's the meaning, Anta. It's a meaning is well or okay, that's a particle. It's a particle. That is, it is an expression to mark the Arambanam of a Vakya. When the Vakya starts, so Anta iti. In Gita also is there. So it's a particle. Te idam pravakshami. Te is to you. Tavate. To you I will speak. What? Idam gugyam Brahma. This Brahma which is gugyam, which is secret. Which is secret. That is why Yamadharmaraja also secret. Secret means what? It is difficult to comprehend. That is why Yamadharmaraja also in the beginning, he said, you ask for some other boon, don't ask for this. He told in the beginning, it is secret means it is not easy to understand. It is not easily comprehensible. Therefore, Gugyam. So, idam Gugyam Brahma, which is Sanatanam Gugyam Brahma, which is Sanatanam, means which is there forever. Sanatanam, always there, ever there. Sanatanam Brahma Aham Pravakshami. So I will give you the secret. I'll give you the secret about this Brahma, which is Sanatanam. Atma, which is Sanatanam. It's a secret. In Gita also, Bhagavan Krishna says, Guhyat Gugyatamam, the 9th chapter, it is Guhya. This, the same, Atma Tattvam is presented as it is Guhyam, secret. Why? Because it is not easily understandable. So, Gugyam Brahma Sanatanam Aham Te Pravakshyami Yathacha Maranam Prapya Atma Bhavati. Atma Bhavati. Maranam Prapya, having attained Maranam. Having attained Maranam. The Shariram having attained Maranam. Atma Bhavati. Atma Bhavati Aham Pravakshyami Te. This Atma, this Jivatma continues. It continues to be. So, on the death of the Shariram, the Atma doesn't die. Atma doesn't die. On the death of the Shariram, this Jivaha, the Jivatma, Atma Bhavati. Atma Bhavati eva. There is no death of this Atma. Therefore, Atma Bhavati. Atma proceeds. Atma continues to be. Tam Aham Pravakshyami. That I tell you. Hey Gautama. Hey Gautama. Gautama is Nachiketa. Gautamasya Apatyam Puman. Gautamasya or Gautama Gotrasya Apatyam, who has come in the lineage of the Gautama. So therefore, Gautama the father. So he is Nachiketa, the descendant of that parampara. So here Gautama iti. Now we will read the Bhashyam. Simple Bhashyam. Hanta idanim
Hanta idanim
punaha api
punaha api
api
te tubhyam
te tubhyam
tubhyam
idam gughyam gopyam
idam
idham
guhyam
gupyam
gopyam
gopyam
Brahma Sanatanam Chirantanam
Brahma
Brahma Sanatanam
Sanatanam
Chirantaram
Chirantaram
Pravakshyami.
Pravakshyami.
Anta, Bhashakara says, Idanim, now. Now, the anta is Idanim, now. Punaha api, once again, te tubhyam, to you. This idam gukyam, the secret. Gukyam is gopyam. Another word is gopyam, secret. Secret of what? This Brahma. Brahma, which is Sanatanam, Chirantanam. Chira means it is ever present, continues to be. Rakshyami. Agam idam Brahma Sanatanam. This Gugyam Brahma Sanatanam. Punaha te pravakshyami. So I will speak, I will give Upadesha, I will continue to talk on this topic of Atma, he says. Yad Vijnanat
Yad Vijnanat
Sarva Samsara Aparamo Bhavati.
Sarva samsara aparamo
sorry.
bhavati.
Sarva Samsaro Paramo Bhavati.
Sarva samsaro paramo bhavati.
Avijnanacha
Avijnanacha
Yasya Maranam Prapya
yasya
Yasya Maranam
maranam
Prapya
prapya
Yatha Atma Bhavati.
Yata
yatha
Atma
atma
Bhavati
bhavati.
Yatha Samsarati
Yatha samsarati
Tatha Shrunu.
tatha
Shruno.
He
shruno.
Gautama.
He
Gautama.
Gautama.
Samsara Uparama. Okay. I thought Samsara Apagama. Okay. That's all. Okay. Samsara Uparama. Samsaro Paramo is Samsara Uparamaha. Uparamaha is cessation, the cessation of this samsara. Okay. Yad Vijnanat. Yad Vijnanat. Yad Vijnanat is Panchami. Through the knowledge of what? Through the knowledge of that, that, to the knowledge of which, Sarva Samsara Uparamaha Bhavati. There will be the complete stoppage. There will be stoppage of this samsara, Sarva Samsara, the entire samsara. What is that? Yat Vijnanat, yat referring to Brahma Vijnanat, Atma Vijnanat. Yat Vijnanat Samsara Uparamaha Bhavati. Knowing which the samsara stops. There will be the cessation of the samsara. That I will talk. I will teach you. Brahma, I will teach you. I will tell you about that. Avijnanacha, not knowing that. Not knowing that. Avijnanacha, because of not knowing, then Kim Bhavati? Yasya referring to the Jivasya. Yasya, the person, Maranam Prapya, having died, having gained death, means having died, having attained death, it means died. Yatha Atma Bhavati, Yatha Samsarati, Tata Shrinu, having attained death. This Atma Bhavati eva, it doesn't become Nashtaha, it continues to be Atma Bhavati. But what happens that Atma is Samsarati, it keeps on traveling from one shariram to another shariram. That is, Atma sustains after the death of the shariram. How Atma this survives, how this Atma samsarati, samyak sarati, samsara sagare, how this Atma moves, transmigrates from bodies to body, tatta, shrunu, those things, shrunu, may you listen, hey Gautama, iti. Hey Gautama, may you listen to that. So, may you listen to that. So now, Raja is going to further talk about that Jivatma, how it sustains when it gives up the body. That is going to be the topic that we will see. We will see in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva अवशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
धन्यवादः जी।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद जी।
धन्यवाद जी।